Next we will discuss example number 8, that is x is equal to a secant a cos b, y is equal to b secant a sin b, and z is equal to tangent a, c tangent a. Then we have to prove that x square by a square plus y square by b square minus z square by c square is equal to 1. So we will consider left hand side, that is here we will put value of x, that is a square secant square a cos square b by a square, and here value of b square secant square a sin square b by b square minus value of z, that is c tangent a. So c square tangent square a by c square. Here a square cut, b square cut, c square cut. So here left secant square a cos square b plus secant square a sin square b minus tangent square a, and from this portion we can take secant square a common. So secant square a common, here left cos square b plus sin square b minus tangent square a, and we know that first identity cos square b plus sin square b angle is same, so we can take it is equal to 1 by using identity. So secant square a into 1 minus tangent square a. So, and we know that secant square a minus tangent square a, this is also equals to 1 by using that identity second one. So here it is coming as 1, and that is our right hand side, hence proved. Next example number 9, 21st C exercise, that is if cos x is equal to cos 60 degree into cos 30 degree plus sin 60 into sin 30, then find the value of x. So my dear students, in the 9th standard we have read about the trigonometry table we have done. So from there you can find the values of cos 60, that is 1 by 2, cos 30 root 3 by 2 plus sin 60 root 3 by 2 and sin 30 1 by 2. So solve. Here 4 plus root 3 ones are root 3 by 4. So 2 times root 3 by 4. Here cut 2 root 3 by 2. So here coming cos x is equal to root 3 by 2. And students, we have to find the value of x. So we have to put this term into the terms of cos. So from the table you can find easily root 3 by 2 is equal to cos 30 degree. So cos x is equal to cos 30. By applying anti, we can find x is equal to 30 degree. Okay students, next we will discuss example number 10, that is cos 38 degree secant 90 minus 2a is equal to 1. So cos 38 degree and secant is a reciprocal of cos, so instead of this we can write 1 by cos 90 minus 2a is equal to 1. So now by cross multiplying we can take this value on the right hand side. So cos 90 minus 2. By applying anti, we can find 38 degree is equal to 90 minus 2a. So 90 minus 38 is equal to 2a. That is 52 is equal to 2a. So from there we can find a is equal to 26 degree. Now we have discussed 21st B exercise and 21st C exercise. You have to try, how much I will tell you, you have to try these many questions. But I want to tell you again, you do only trigonometry chapter, don't do other chapters. And tomorrow I will check your notebooks, means you have to send your photos. Each and every student have to send first 21st A exercise questions. If you will not send and you will not do that exercise, then your attendance will be marked as absent. So you have to send.